Hello, welcome to ai1.onl. It's filled with lots of AI powered tools along with 50 plus AI models which you can use. We also have 1100 plus listings for various AI tools, but in this video we're going to focus only on the AI powered tools. On the top we have a search bar. You can search any tool, and we have different categories like books, story, writing. Within these categories we have a lot of different tools. As you can see, we have tools for social media. All of them are powered by AI, and you're free to select the models of your choice. For them, we also have image generation. And let me give you a demonstration for one of the tools. Which one would you like? Let's begin with the story writer. Okay, here you can give it a story idea. You can tell what characters you have in your story. You can tell the plot, or you can also just give it a title. For demonstration, I'm going to just give it a title here. Okay, you can select the number of words which you want, and you can select a model of your own choice. But for now, I will keep the one which is previously selected. Let's generate the story. So the story is being generated by AI, and once it's ready it will appear here. And you will also have a copy. Oh, here the story is ready. You also have a copy button here which you can press, and you can easily copy the whole story which has been generated for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you very much.